Hello. Thanks for watching today's demo on how you can add command flags at the step level for Helm. So Helm has a lot of different native commands that may not be supported through the UI, but they are supported through our command flags advanced option. In order to configure your command flags, you'll need to edit your Helm Deploy step, navigate to the Advanced tab, and locate the command flag. Let's do that now. It's your Helm Deploy step, navigate to Advanced, and then locate command flags. Here, you can hit Add to add a command flag type, such as one of all of these, and these all correlate to the different commands you can do for the Helm Deploy. For all the flags you can use for the Helm Deploy command in like the CLI, for example. So you could run a Helm test and add any references to test templates. You could do a rollback, etc. In this case, we have a Helm upgrade and a Helm install. Let's see it in action. As you can see, it ran an upgrade of the chart and it ran an install of it. Here. That is how the Helm command flags work. It should allow you to add increased flexibility for your Helm deployments. And thank you for watching. Lastly, before you go, this feature may currently be behind a feature flag. If it is, you'll find the feature flag in the description below and instructions on how to enable it. You will need to contact Harness support. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.